up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're gonna be finishing our Southern Africa gospel piano. So this is going to be our last episode of Southern Africa gospel piano. If you just come across to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share for more videos. Without wasting our time, let's dive into the video. So this song is in the key of C sharp. So in terms of major scale, we have right. So first section is starting from here. Yeah, like that, right? And then if you're not familiar with this song, make sure to listen to the song, okay? Because if you can't listen to the song, it's gonna be difficult to understand the chord progression, because actually I'm just going to be reharmonizing the song, okay? Actually you're gonna be using a free time, okay? So if you listen to the song, it will help you to understand the melody of the song, okay? So we go see Okay, moving to the second section, we're gonna be starting from here. Like that. Right, like, and then so right they have let me play it slowly again so you can understand what's going on, okay? So right there you're doing like movement, right? Going to the 6, we did the 7, 3, but instead of going to the 6, you're doing another movement. You're connecting that with another movement, right? Like, starting from here and then to the 6, right? Like, So I start, okay, like start from say we'll cool, right, like that, and then like that. So right here you have like last section, we're starting from here. Right, very beautiful, right? So let me play again slowly, and I'll be singing so that you can just understand the melody. Okay. Laughter, la, we, kazi, lucky. Thank you guys for watching this video. There's more upcoming videos that are coming up, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification button so that you can be updated whenever I post new video, just like the one you just watched now. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.